Welcome to our discussion on the integrated nature of business functions. We'll explore how marketing, finance, and operations must collaborate seamlessly to achieve organizational goals and enhance overall performance for businesses. Understanding the interdependence of business functions is crucial. Marketing, finance, and operations rely on each other to deliver value to customers, ensuring that each function supports the others effectively. Cross-functional collaboration is key to better decision-making and problem-solving. By working together, different departments can leverage their unique strengths to address challenges and seize opportunities more effectively. Efficient resource allocation is vital for business success. It ensures that resources are distributed effectively across all functions, maximizing productivity and minimizing waste within the organization. In conclusion, integrating business functions enhances organizational performance. This integration allows businesses to operate more efficiently and respond swiftly to market changes, ensuring long-term success and competitiveness. Thank you for joining us.